Hey guys, I was sent this retractable countertop outlet for free and I just finished installing it and just wanted to show you how cool it actually is and tell you what things I like about it. So first of all, you can see here at my TV stand, I popped holes in and installed it and it just looks really nice. I think it's going to do a really good job at helping me to just manage my cords and keep everything nice and neat looking. You can see it has this illuminated kind of red light for an on-off switch. So if you have things plugged in here and you want to turn them all off, you just turn it off. While it's on, you have it on, but you have four 3-prong outlets. You have one USB-C port here and then two USB ports there. And then one of the things that I think is really cool, again, besides it just being flat and recessed, like that's really amazing to me, is that this is actually like a MagSafe charger. So I have my phone here, so I just want to set it on and show you. I have to mess with it a little bit because I did notice sometimes it seems like with the bigger cases, maybe it's a little bit directional. But anyway, so you can see I drop it on there and it charges. So I think that's really cool. I love having that there because I always walk by and set my phone on this TV stand anyway. So I might as well set it down and charge it. So again, just to show you it rising up again, it's just super smooth and super quiet. I don't know, I really like things that seem like they function well. And this is definitely one of them. So I love this product and I recommend it.